In this video, you will learn to describe the fundamental differences between two-dimensional drafting and three-dimensional modelling, explain the benefits of 3D parametric objects in a BIM workflow, and explain how 3D modelling improves time efficiency and supports better design coordination. Building Information Modelling, or BIM, transforms the design process by shifting from traditional 2D drafting to intelligent, data-rich 3D models. 2D drafting, commonly performed in tools like AutoCAD, rely on lines and layers to represent elements and design intent. For example, a simple room layout might include multiple lines representing walls, windows, and doors. But these lines are disconnected. They require manual updates across different views and contain limited information. If you update a door in elevation view, the plan, section, and other views are not automatically updated to reflect the change. In contrast to this manual workflow, 3D information models using tools like Autodesk Revit create parametric and intelligent models. A wall, for example, isn't just a line. It's a 3D object with properties like height, thickness, material, and other properties such as thermal resistance, and these properties are interconnected, ensuring that changes are reflected across all views. And in this example, a change to the door width is updated in all views, including plans, elevations, 3D models, and even schedules. This parametric system saves significant time when compared to 2D drafting. This workflow also reduces errors and ensures consistency and version history across all documentation. In this lesson, you've seen how the transition from 2D drafting to 3D BIM workflow and the use of parametric data-rich objects enhances efficiency, reduces errors, and supports better design collaboration.